Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. The glove box is secured by 2 tabs at the top. Press them forward and pull down on the glove box door to slide behind the tabs. Remove the 2 screws securing the filter housing door. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing. Reinstall the screws. Partially close the glove box so that the top tab slides in front, securing the glove box. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.